Hi, I'm going to show you how to install an extension in Brackets. Extensions add to the Brackets experience and give you functionality that wasn't there before. The extensions I'm going to install are Beautify, which will allow you to format your HTML code, and Spell Check, which will help you find spelling errors. To install an extension, you go up to your File menu, you select Extension Manager. And their dialog box will appear, it'll chug for a moment and look to see what you have. Available is what's available. There are hundreds of extensions. If you click on Installed, you'll see what's installed. I don't have anything installed right now, so I'm going to go back to Available, and I'll type Beautify. Beautify allows you to format your languages. It'll indent as necessary. It'll space where needed. To install it, it's straightforward. You click the Install button, and it takes a moment and it installs. I'm also going to look for Spell Check. Install that. To verify that they're there, I go to my installed menu and they're listed. If you have an extension you don't like, simply remove it and then close. It'll ask you to remove the extensions and reload. Just say yes, and it comes back up after a moment. And then go back to Extension Manager, and it's gone. All right, that's it. Have fun with Brackets.